I made over $4,000. And here's proof. It's not just me. One of my subscribers earned $1,000 last week using the exact same method. Take a look at this channel. The creator makes relaxing ASMR videos with different objects and gets millions of views. Such videos are created very easily. The creator started this channel just a few months ago and has already gained over 7 million views and earned at least $5,000. We're going to create the same kind of channel completely from scratch. I'll walk you through a step-by-step plan on how to optimize it. Make relaxing videos like these and get it monetized, and at the end, I'll share an important tip on how to get your channel recommended on the very first day. The first step is to write a prompt for our pictures. We will generate a couple of images using ChatGPT, then take the prompts and go to generate and animate already in our main tool. Do not forget to take an example picture from the video that I showed you, and you must come up with in what style your beds will be our first request. Generate me a picture like this. Only the bed is in strawberry style. There is a girl on the side like in the example. Now we wait until our image is ready. Great. The bed in strawberry style looks cool. My first style is ready next. We write great, now generate everything the same way, only in lava style. The bed should have a lava texture. Now we wait until the image appears. Come up with your own unusual textures to stand out among all videos. This is very important. Next, great. Now, generate everything the same way, only in mercury style hydrogen. The liquid should be like water. After some time, we get an excellent picture. We do everything the same way, just change in the prompt, the bed style, and your preferences. These are the pictures I managed to create using ChatGPT. Do not forget to download them. The last thing we request from ChatGPT is a prompt for creating such pictures. We write the following: write a prompt to create such a picture. If the prompt is not good, you can correct it based on your preferences. The main thing is that there is a girl in the frame who will be lying on the bed and a suitable angle for this. We copy our prompt and go to the main tool, the main video we will make through the Magic Hour website. This is exactly the one used by the authors who make ASMR videos. You can use it for free. Pay attention to that. We click on Create Now for free. As you can see, there are a lot of functions here, including image generation, animation, and voiceover. First, we will generate pictures here too, so that we have diverse and attractive content. This is important to do. We click on AI Image Generator, and it takes us to the generation settings here. You need to write a prompt. Choose the style, format, and number of pictures. First, we will write the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. We leave the style as general, set the image resolution to 16:9, and you can choose the number of pictures yourself. As you can see, generating pictures is very cheap here, and you can make a lot of images for free. Choose the amount yourself. We click generate and wait, literally 10 seconds. Magic Hour creates quickly, as you can see here. We also get very beautiful pictures for ASMR content. This is exactly what we need, a pleasant and fairy tale atmosphere. Now we will generate a couple more pictures only. We will change the style of the bed. We write in ChatGPT the request, write the same prompt in the same style, only the bed has a balloon texture. Very soft. It writes us a prompt for generating a new bed. We copy it and go back to Magic Hour. We paste the new prompt, leave the settings the same, and generate. We get very beautiful pictures. A bed in the style of a balloon. It looks very beautiful. Download the ones you like the most and save all the pictures in a separate folder for convenience. We will generate a couple more. You do not have to repeat after me. You can come up with your own bed styles if you think about it. There are a lot of ideas. A space bed, a magma bed, a soap bed, and so on. Come up with about 5 or 10 images for your first video, and with different styles, you can do as I do. Mix pictures for variety and audience retention in general. Here it is, completely up to your taste. Do as you like. The main thing is that by meaning the content is the same. After all the generations, download everything and move on to animating the pictures. We are already halfway through. Next, we use the Imago to video function. We click on it here. You need to upload the starting image and the ending one if you want, but we will upload only one since we do not have a change of frames. We upload our first picture and go to ChatGPT for the prompt. We write a request for it to generate a prompt for each picture. write each prompt separately, starting from the strawberry bed, ending with the we beebed. There should be 7 prompts. It will generate 7 prompts for animating our images. If you have more or fewer, just write to ChatGPT so it doesn't get confused. Great, we copy the first prompt with the strawberry bed and go to Magic Hour. Paste it, and then we can choose how long the video will last. Here it can be from 5 up to 60 seconds. You can create full cartoons or movies if you want for our niche. 10 seconds is enough quality, should be 720 or 1080, no less. Now we click generate and just wait. The work will be done for us. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Even if it shows more, 7 to 8 pictures are quite enough for a full video, and you will already be able to upload your first video today and start running your channel, but that will be in the next step about optimization. For now, we are animating the images, and our first animation is completely ready. Let's take a look. It turned out cool, exactly what we need when we do editing at the end. We will get a full ASMR video with sound before this. I also tested on another picture with the strawberry bed, and look how cool it looks. I will download it too, so let's continue. Upload the second image. Mine is lava copy. The second prompt with lava pasted into Magic Hour. The settings are the same. 10 seconds and 1 quality or 720 with lava. It will be more interesting because here it will be liquid like water and the bed will be like liquid. We generate and wait for the final result. Wow, it looks like it's floating on lava and the animation of the bed is amazing. But don't forget that the main feature will be during editing. When we add sounds, repeat the same way. Take the next picture and insert the new prompt. Do not forget to download the finished animations immediately after generation, another important detail. If you don't like how the animation turned out, just redo it. You can write a new prompt or simply generate it again. There is nothing wrong with that. All the prompts I use now and all the requests I wrote in ChatGPT, I will leave in my Telegram channel. Go download and use them. And meanwhile, I am almost finished now. I will upload the images made in Magic Hour and see what happens. Here is a slightly different style, but the essence is the same. The girl lies on the bed. We wait a little, done. Look how cool the bed glows and the physics works as it should. As I said, we will add sounds and it will turn out even better. Magic Hour generates cool, cozy pictures for content. I like it. We download everything and save in a separate folder for convenience. There are also other various functions for your content here. For example, voiceover for video. Make an infinite animation from a picture. Also, you can immediately make a video without a picture. Just write text and immediately get a video. Make a GIF. Remove the background. Improve quality, change clothes, and all this is free on Magic Hour. I highly recommend you visit and try it. The link will be in the description. Now, optionally download relaxing music. This is not a required step because the important part will be the sounds, not the music, but you can download it as an addition to the video if you want. Now, a very important step is the sound effects for our ASMR video, because this is the main feature of our content. To get the sounds we need, we will use 11 Labs or any other site that generates sounds. We go to the sound effects tab, and at the bottom in the window, we just write what sounds we need to write the prompt. We will use ChatGPT. We write the request. Can you write prompts to generate sound for these pictures? But I need like ASMR sound, you know, nice sounds. I will animate these pictures, and there the girl will lie down on these beds. I need nice and pleasant sound for each animation. We wait until it writes and we get 7 prompts for our images. We copy them one by one and paste into 11 Labs. It will generate 4 sounds at once. Choose any sound you like and download it in MP3 format. If some sound you don't like, just rewrite the prompt for a clearer understanding of what you need in the video place. Everything in a separate folder and move on to editing now in any video. Editor that you use, we create a project for me. It is CapCut. After creating it, we drag all our animations and sounds into the project now on the timeline. We put our videos first. It does not matter in what order. I think it is already clear what needs to be done. After that is ready, we start adding music if you want, and then sounds. You must have the sounds of footsteps and the sounds. When the girl lies down on the bed, the rest is up to your taste. Filters and effects are not needed. The main thing is to make a calm and cozy atmosphere. Just do not overdo it. The The sounds must be ASMR relaxing. This is very important. And while I am making the video, I will share with you the very secret that I wanted to tell. To get into recommendations very quickly, you need to do two things. Take the title of a competitor's video and slightly change it. Literally, you can change one word, but so that the meaning remains the same. The second step is to take not a new, but an old channel with subscribers that was created around 2023 to 2021. This really helps and is proven by my experience. I always do this, and most often I get into the recommendation feed and impressions increase after editing. I will talk about this in more detail, and I also want to tell you to never give up. There is no magic pill to earn a lot of money. You just need to take action and do it. No matter how it sounds, try to challenge yourself to publish videos for a month and improve your content, and you will see how you can change and become disciplined. This really works, and be sure to ask your questions in the comments. I will help you in the meantime. I am almost finished. As you can see, I have the sounds of footsteps and the repeating sounds of the bed. Be sure to adjust the volume of the sound so that everything is harmonious and pleasant for the ears, because we have an unusual niche after that. Check the video once again, and you can safely press export. Export in the best quality and with the best sound. Let's see the result. Wow, friends, it turned out amazing. How do you like it? Final step: channel optimization and monetization. As I already said, the best option is to use some old channel, try to find one. But if there is none, then just create a new one and wait exactly 2 weeks. Let's optimize the channel in the Creator Studio. Click at the bottom left on Settings and then Channel here. We need to write tags according to the topic of our content. I write ASMR, relaxing bed, ASMR food, ASMR. You can add something else if you want. The more, the better. Be sure to choose the country as the USA, because more functions to earn money will be available to us. Then in the next tab of the settings, choose that this content is not for kids. That's all you need for proper channel optimization. Save the settings. And now we go to the customization section on the left. Here we will make an avatar channel nickname and description for a beautiful avatar. I will use Magic Hour. We go back here and click AI Image Generator. We write a small prompt ourselves. You can make any avatar you like. I wrote bright headphones against a beautiful space background. For the image style, I choose art, and for the image size, a square 1x1, because for an avatar, it should be exactly like this. We click generate and wait. Very beautiful pictures turned out just right for the topic of our niche. We choose the best one, go back to YouTube, upload our avatar, adjust it a little, and save the channel name. You can write any you want, but I advise to use the word ASMR in the title, so the viewer will immediately understand that your channel is completely dedicated to this topic, and they will click a small channel description where you say what kind of content is here. That's it. Now, upload our first video, and according to my first advice, take the title from a competitor and slightly change it as I did in the description. You can add a small backstory if you want, and that's all. Upload your first video. Give the video 1 or 2 days and watch the statistics, whether there are impressions or views, and where the traffic is coming from in order to earn on YouTube. Besides monetization, there are many cool ways. For example, promote the channel a little and start advertising products or digital services in your videos, or with referral links that pay from 30% per sale. After connecting monetization, the income will not only be from views, you can also connect merchandise and sell it, and sponsorship subscriptions, where you make exclusive content for channel sponsors. That's all. There are a lot of types of monetization. Just use them wisely. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you liked this video. You learned a lot and will start creating content. Write your IR questions in the comments. I will answer all and help with the channel. Use Magic Hour, and all the prompts for it will be in my Telegram channel. All links are in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow new trends.